How to transfer files from Android to laptop with Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Katie here, and on today's video I will show you how you can transfer files from your Android device to laptop using Google Drive. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your Android device, you have to open up Google Drive and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you're on your preferred account, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on upload. Now from your Android device, you could upload a file that may be image, a video, or any other document in your Google Drive. So for now, I will just add an image in this drive. Select your image, then tap on the upload button at the top right corner. Now wait for a while until the file gets uploaded. Refresh your page, and as you can see, there is an image that I have uploaded recently. Now to transfer the same file into your laptop, all you have to do is open up Google Drive in your laptop as well. There, make sure that you're logged in with your same Google account that you will log in into Google Drive in your mobile device. After you open up Google Drive, logged in into your same account, and there, refresh the page, you will find the same file that you have uploaded recently in your laptop too in the Google Drive. Then you could simply download the file from the Google Drive and it will be saved in your laptop. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.